Let's go. What's up? What's up? What's going on? I'm back. Another beautiful day of detailing. Got this here F150 with the nice and dirty wheels and everything. But other than that, that's gonna need a good cleaning inside and out. So we're here to do. So we're here to get done. Already pretty much cleaned everything out. It's just dirty up in here. You know, typical truck stuff. Do what I can to help it out. Like I said, most of the trash is already gone. Oh, that don't work like that. Clean the seats up and all that. Do, you know, washy stuff to this. So yeah. Well, that's that. Nothing too crazy today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to work. And we are all done. Look at the wheels. That's how they're supposed to be looking. See my reflection. All in the paint. Interior has been interiorized. Pop that down. Done, good to go. Warmed up out here a little bit. Gotta get my stuff off the ground. Tailgate. Oh yeah. Quick peek at the interior. Yeah, buddy. That's all right there. Back it on up for the thumbnail. All right. Cool. And on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and give these keys back and head on to the next job. But that's gonna end this video. So I will catch up with you all on the next time. Peace.